Hello and welcome back again to my channel. This is JT TV. Um, for today's video, I'm going to show you and tell you about my experience of my DJI Neo for about 6 months now. I've been using it. I've been playing it for 6 months, and I guess the experience, the hype and the excitement of flying it is kind of like worn out. uh, Obviously, all of my contents uh, for the previous months is about technology, about IT. So I rarely and occasionally upload videos like this. So yes, today our topic or our agenda for this video is how is my Neo after 6 months of using it. As you can see, I've been flying it, still kicking. It has survived, the almost uh, heartbreaking crash during October, I guess, October 8th, 2024. Uh, on the downtown area of my city. So I fly it on a beachfront, on a bay, and I almost lost it. But then, here it is. After 6 months, it is still flying and kicking. And I must say that the DJI Neo really is a fantastic tool for capturing, uh, aerial footage around your area. As you can see, I always fly my Neo in my areas of concern. No, you know, it's- well, that's the convenience I have. So I always fly my Neo within the boundaries of our community. So that is a university area there, so I can freely, you know, fly over structures of our university, as well as to fly over residential and greeneries and coconuts and rice fields there. And then as well as I could really fly above waters, from salt waters to deep into the shallow. Well, I guess kind of mess up. So this is a very diverse area. There are structures, there are greeneries, there are mountains, there are islands, etc. So name it. So I hope you're kind of like bored with my aerial footage, because I must apologize, because honestly this is the convenience I could get. Anyways, so this is the settings is I find the settings for my DJI Neo after 6 months. I love flying it with the settings of 1080p resolution and then 60 frames per second. You know, I have to do it, so I have to compare. And I must say that this settings 1080p by 60 or 1080p at 60 is the best you could get out of your Neo, at least for the Flymer combo using the RCN3. And then the aspect ratio is 16 by 9 for a standard landscape. aspect, aspect ratio. For the mobile phone mode, which is the no remote control, no RC entry, yes, I set it to 1080p, and then at 60 frames per second also. And then the aspect ratio is kind of like inverted. So instead of 16 by 9, you have to do it by 9 by 16 to give you that portrait look and appeal. For the image quality, it's bearable as long as you have a good lighting condition, or the environment or the lighting conditions favors, the lens favors the sensor of your camera, of your DJI Neo. And certainly Neo is not for night flying because of the sensor itself. If you want a night flying drone optimized for night flying, better get the Mini 3. That's the lowest or the cheapest you could get. And then Neo is not for low light flying. It should be flown uh, with a reasonable amount of light. Uh, but still, you could do it like sunset or sunrise or even on a cloudy day. So yes, in my case, during this time, I filmed it during sunset. So as you can see, it still produces quite amount of colors. The colors are punchy, greens are green, reds are red, so sort of those. But there are certain parts of grainy, especially with the dark portions. So again, 1080p is just half of the 4K resolution. So a 4K resolution video is, if I'm not mistaken, the resolution for that is 21 by 80. Oh, no, 21 by 60. 2160 or 2000. Uh, it's half actually of 1080p. So just have to multiply to achieve a 4K. You just have to multiply the 1080p by 2. So that's actually 4K. Well, for what I understand. So yes, it's been 6 months, and this drone never ever fails me.